The new Ford Transit Trail and Transit Custom Trail deliver rugged looks and enhanced capability to support owners and operators whose work takes them to challenging terrain away from normal roads. A mechanical limited slip differential is fitted as standard to front-wheel drive Transit and Transit Custom Trail models, improving traction in low-grip terrain and weather conditions. Transit Trail is available with intelligent all-wheel drive for confident progress in challenging terrain. Trail variants feature additional black cladding and oversized Ford lettering in the matte black grille for a bold and purposeful presence. The Trail series also offers an enhanced interior specification, with durable and wipe-clean full leather trim and air conditioning both fitted as standard.